Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are printing dollar as usual, right? Yeah, in case you are not printing dollar, in today's video I'm gonna do my best so you can learn something valuable and hopefully you can start trading the correct way as well. But even if that doesn't happen, I will just add you to my Signal group for free. I'm making this video about trading, that broker being run by FundingPips. Last time I've made a video about them, and I hope you guys watched the video and you guys enjoyed the video as well. If you haven't, feel free to go and check that video out. But aside that video I made, I've also run a giveaway for people who did sign up with trading. So if you do sign up and you start trading with trading, right, you are going to get a lot of advantages, and in today's video is gonna be one of them, right? So on the giveaway I did, I was giving away 5 10k FundingPips account, and I've already chosen the winners of those giveaway. These are the comments right here, so if you're one of them, feel free to DM me to claim your account as well. Aside that, in today's video I'm going to add all of you guys to my Signal group. Signal group, AstuceFx Signal group. Every single trade I take that allow me to get payout from FundingPips, you guys are going to take the same trade with me. Okay, what is the eligibility for you to be part of the Signal group? Is just to trade with trading. Okay, trade with trading. Very simple. Yes, I really love the trading broker because they have 2000 leverage, the deposit is really good, the withdrawal is really nice, the spread is really good, everything is just perfect. If you guys been trading with trading, and if you guys have any sort of question, you can reach out to me. Yes, but now for those people who are actually signing up to trading, feel free to focus right now. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to join my Signal group for free. Okay, if you haven't signed up to trading yet, feel free to check the link below this video to do it. So now the first step for you to be able to join my Signal for free, okay, is to come to my website, AstuceFx.com. So I'm currently on my website right here, AstuceFx.com. So what you have to do is you have to click on sign up. You have to sign up, and the sign up is free. I'm not charging money for any sign up, okay? It's free. So you come to sign up, you can just enter your full name, your email, and then your password, or you can also sign up with Google. If you have a Google account, I think that's the fastest way to do it. Just go to sign up with Google, and then you choose the account, and there you go. You'll be able to sign up with Google, right? So right now I've already signed up. You can see the dashboard is looking really clean. You can do it on your phone as well. You don't have to do it on your laptop. So once you've signed up, you'll see on the sidebar here that we have a lot of options. You have AstuceFx Signal group, you have online courses, you have resources, you have a lot of things. Okay, so what we want to be doing here is that we want to go to the AstuceFx Signal group. So since this video is about you guys joining my Signal group, let me first show you guys about the online courses, because I also have free courses for you. So if you want to get the free course, all you need to do is click on the online course. Once you do click there, you'll see all the free courses I have, as well as the paid courses. But yes, if you don't have money, just go and get the free course. So these are the free courses. You have the free Forex trading course, and I have the free PropFirm series. If you want to learn how to trade PropFirm, sign up to the free PropFirm series. If you want to learn how to trade in general, which actually this one is for beginners, feel free to enroll to that one as well. Once you do click on enroll and you click on confirm, automatically you'll get access to the course. The course is free. Okay, you get access to the course. You have to watch it, and you have a lot of videos to go through, and yes, it's really nice. You have to go and sign up, and you'll be able to watch and improve. If you have any question at all, feel free to reach out to me. Aside that, now let's go to the VIP Signal group. Once you do click on VIP, you scroll down, you'll see 2 paths. You have to choose one of them. You either have to go through the premium access, that means you have to pay to join, or you have to go through the partnership access, that means you have to trade with one of the recommended broker, and you'll be able to join the Signal as well. You just have to choose one of them, and you enter, okay, and you join. Now, before I even show you how to join, how do I even send my signals? Like, is it even worth for you to join? So now, this is my Telegram group right here, and this is my Signal group right here. I currently have 134 members. So if you guys join, hopefully I'm gonna see these numbers go to 200, 300, up to 1,000. I don't know how long. Yeah, hopefully that will happen, right? So once I come here, you can see that this is how I send my signal. You can see buy gold now at this price. This is the stop loss here. This is the take profit. These are all the take profit here. So I send the signal like this to you guys, and I also show you guys my entry. And later, this is basically how I send the signals, and eventually you guys print some dollar as well. All right. Yeah, so this is basically how I send my signal group, my signals basically. And the signal, yes, it can be losses, it can be wins, it's like just trading, like this first week here I only had losses, but this second week I had 3 wins, 1 loss, and this third week here I had like 4 wins and then 2 losses. So yes, you're gonna have losses sometimes, but you're gonna have the wins are gonna make way more money than the losses as well, right? So now let me come back to the AstuceFx portal. On the AstuceFx portal here, you have to click on the select partnership. That's if you want to trade with trading. And once you do come here, you have to click on to start the onboarding process, to start VIP onboarding. If you do click there, the first thing they're gonna ask you is connect to your Telegram account. Really important. You have to connect this account that you created on my dashboard to your Telegram account. So there is 2 ways. You can just copy this, go and DM that that bot on Telegram, or you can also click on open verification bot. It will open that bot on Telegram for you as well. Once the bot is open on Telegram, all you need to do is click on start. Once you do click on start, the bot will tell you to enter your email. So the same email you used to create the account on my website, you enter the same email here as well. Okay, so this is my email right here. I'm gonna enter it right there, and then you just have to click send. Once you see the bot telling you that your Telegram has been successfully linked, you can come back to the website, and the website normally to directly take you to the next step, which choosing the broker. So on the broker side, we can see that we have 2 options. We have Xness and we have trading. In today's video is mostly about trading, so we're gonna be choosing trading right here. Now once you choose trading, trading is also restricted in some countries, so you have to make sure that you are not in a restricted country. So you can see here that trading is restricted in the following countries: United States, Canada, North Korea, Sudan, and all of that. So if you see that you are in a restricted country, that means that you cannot sign up to trading. I'm really sorry for you, but you cannot sign up to trading if you are in a restricted country. In case you are not in a restricted country, congratulations. Now you can just click on confirm I'm not in a restricted country. Once you do that, the next step is, do you have a trading account already? Like before you watch this video, do you have a trading account already? If you have, you have to click yes. If you still don't have, it's fine. You can also click no. Okay, so in this case, if you do click no, then you'll have a link to go and create an account with trading. All you need to do is click on the link on the button, and then you come here. You just have to enter your email, your country of residence, which is not a restricted country, and then your name, and then you fill in all this information, and then you sign up to the broker. Very simple. You have to sign up this way. Or if you already have an account, did you create that account with my link? Because maybe you've been following me and then you've signed up to trading using my link already. If that's the case, you can just proceed. But if you did not create the account with my link, you have to create another account with a different email, right? Because the only way for you to join my signal is using my link. Okay, so now let's say that you don't have an account. Once you do create the account, everything, you have to click, you confirm that you've used my link to create the account, and you click on step 3. Once you come to step 3, you have to enter your email address here. Really important. And this email is the email you use to create your account with trading. It will allow me to check whether you truly use my link to sign up to trading. I hope you guys understand. So once you do sign up here, this email I use here, you make sure you come and put the same email here. Once you do everything right the way I did it here, all you need to do is click on confirm for verification. Once you do click on confirm for verification, you'll see that your application will be under review. The review can take up to 24 hours. Once the review is done, you can get access to a link to join the signal group. Okay, so now let me fast forward to show you guys exactly how it looks like once your application has been approved. This is what you'll see on your dashboard once your application has been approved. You'll see that VIP access activated, and you'll see all the details you provided, your email, your trading broker you chose, everything. Once granted here, you have to check your email because it's really important. You'll be able to join the signal by checking the link that's been sent to your email. So once I do open my email, you see that VIP partnership approved or access approved. So if I scroll down here, you see all the information. They have approved on primary broker, all of this. But now we have 2 things down here. You have join VIP Telegram and you have join VIP Discord. These are the 2 options you have, so you have to join. If you want to join the VIP signal, which is where I send the signal, you have to click on join VIP signal, and then you get the link here to join the VIP signal here. Okay, this is the only way for you to join the signal, with the link that has been sent to you here. And this link if I'm not mistaken, it get invalidated after 3 hours. So make sure you use the link after, like, within 3 hours of getting this email. And then the next thing is join the VIP Discord. You get access to my Discord as well. So you just have to come here and then you authorize and you need to access my Discord group. Okay, on my Discord you are able to ask me question anytime I send a signal and you don't understand the reason why I took the trade. You can also ask me. Okay, so this is basically how you can do to join the VIP signal group through trading. And one thing I want to tell you guys is, for you to actually be eligible to join the signal, you don't just have to create an account with trading, you have to deposit money and trade with trading, because there is no point of joining my signal group without actually taking the trade on a live account, right? So you have to deposit, and for a deposit, you can make a deposit anywhere about $50 to $100, and that's a good amount. But if you can actually afford to make the right deposit, you have to make a deposit of $1,000. With $1,000 deposit, you can be risking about $50 per trade, which is just about 5% per trade. By risking 5% or $50 per trade, you can easily make anywhere from $200 to $300 weekly or bi-weekly. Okay, and that's like, extra income that you can add to your portfolio. It's free right? So this is basically what the video is about. I hope that I'm gonna see you guys on my signal group pretty soon, and yeah, that would be pretty much it. So see you guys on my next YouTube video. And by the way, if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe. And yes, hope you good learning, hope you the best on your trading journey. Bye bye.